This is Smile Now. Today we will talk about how important dental care and hygiene is. Your smile is the first thing people see. Oral health can also affect every part of our body, including your heart. So why not take a little extra care to make sure your teeth remain healthy for your lifetime? Dr. Preet Sahota is a resident dental expert. Dr. Preet, welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
So what are you going to talk about today?
Well, a stitch in time saves 9. We know that. And prevention actually begins with information and understanding. So a dental visit can not only help your teeth outlast you, but ensure that the life you do live is a healthy one. So oral health is really connected to the health of the rest of the body. So it starts with taking care of your oral health during pregnancy. And
so what do you exactly mean by oral health takes care of the rest of the body?
Well, there is a strong link between chronic inflammation with the rest of the body. So, for example, if your gums are chronically inflamed, in general terms, it means that they're bleeding when you brush and floss, then it is likely that you have gum disease. And that can affect the rest of your body. It's connected to heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and a host of other...
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, indeed. And we also, can help screen our patients for sleep apnea, snoring, and, a lot of other conditions where people have chronic migraines and neck ache, headaches, and, symptoms like ringing in the ears. And
they start from your dentures?
Oh, from your teeth, yes, because if your bite's not aligned correctly, that can affect the rest of our the surrounding structures, because the mouth does not function alone by itself. It functions in conjunction with the rest of the body.
So you must be seeing a lot. Asian Indians are so bad with a regular visit to the dentist. We never grew up with it. We don't know that we have to visit the doctor at the dentist regularly.
Right. My theory on that is that I think we were not designed to see dentists and doctors because our body has this inbuilt mechanism to react to everything and heal. There's immune response, and it really is connected to how well you eat, sleep, and all of the other, and especially airways. So I don't blame them. It's pretty unnatural to go see doctors and dentists.
But it has to be factored in a routine now, right?
Yeah, and a lot of people always ask me, do I really have to floss? And I tell them only the ones you want to keep. The teeth you want to keep, you should floss, just because we do eat a lot of processed foods, and we have our lifestyles.
That's one thing. Because of the processed food, we need to floss it more. Here in India, we were not used to eating processed food. So probably the flossing is not that important.
I think as long as you eat all whole foods and you are drinking more water as opposed to juices and sodas, you'll be better off. But it's always nice to grab an apple instead of a cookie, So an apple a day can keep the dentist away too.
So tell us, from the morning till night, a quick routine as to how one can every day do a little bit to make sure the dental oral hygiene is taken care of.
Absolutely. Well, I think first of all, we need to be very vigilant about mouth breathing. So when you wake up in the morning, if you feel like your mouth is super dry, and you obviously don't have the best breath, like you have, my daughter would call it the Shrek breath, then obviously we have some other issues going on, and it could be related to your, gastric situation, or maybe you're snoring. All that would be a cue that you should get some expert help. Secondly, you can definitely brush and floss after breakfast before you head out to work or school.
Will I do it before breakfast? Is that bad?
Well, it's not necessarily bad, but it would be better if you did it after breakfast, because you might have some food, or your whole grain cereal
stuck in my teeth.
Exactly. And then, I recommend my patients to actually do a quick little brush after lunch at work. And, if you really want to score points, you could floss as well. And of course, at the end of the day, before you go to bed, the last thing you do is definitely brush and floss again. And it's also nice to use a tongue scraper to gently clean away your tongue. So these are simple steps. We don't really recommend a lot of mouthwashing, but, your dentist or your hygienist can definitely make the plan very specific to your needs.
Great. Thank you so much. There you have it.
Thank you.
Please visit your dentist. And if you want to get in touch with Dr. Preet Sahota, Please refer to her website.
For more information, you can contact Dr. Preet Sahota at www.smiles-matters.com, or you can call her at 510-744-1414.